That flood accumulating in the backseat, hidden in my chest, a string around my throat, a hidden hand in my eyes, headlights dim, my heart is heavy. The road stretches on a long darkness, sorrow has grown immense like a heavy stone. Joy, a fleeting guest, comes and goes, not even a trace. You held your breath, the dam's filled, overflowed, sobs far with the night. You didn't know that the light behind it would never leave you. Rain trail on the back window, the scratches of old numbers inside me, belonging to yourself. Resentful of the world, a mess scattered with a single glance. Warm pride behind your shoulder, you don't see it but the breath is close. Your hand of thought, while your bile trembles, it holds the light. It doesn't make you cold, it always stands by your side. Now it opened in a dark place, the pain didn't end, it just scattered hair. That proud storm that burned where it fell, it's planting a smile in the middle of your soul. Yes. Look back to your old self, to the hidden courage. It is traced in every cracked window.